In this video, we are going to solve Brute It Room from TryHackMe, which is focused on brute forcing with John. So open Brute It Room on TryHackMe and join the room. Now start your machine. Now back on your Kali machine, connect with OpenVPN of TryHackMe with sudo openvpn command. And you can check your connectivity with ifconfig, and we get a new interface name of tunnel 0. Once your machine is started, copy the IP address of your target machine and ping it. Now let's just scan the target with nmap. Use the command as shown on the screen. SS is for stealth scan, SV is for version enumeration, and -O is for OS enumeration. And we get only one port. I think we need to slow down the scan. Repeat the scan but slow it down by replacing T5 with T3. And we get another port on the machine, which is port 80. So on TryHackMe, the first question is how many ports are open, which are 2. The next question is the version of SSH that is running. You can copy the version from Kali machine and paste it on TryHackMe. The next question is for Apache version. Just copy it from the scan. And the third question is which Linux distribution is running, which is Ubuntu. Now we need to find the hidden directories on web server. Now open a new tab and fire up ffff as shown on the screen. And we are using seclist to brute force the directories. While it is running, just browse to the website. On the home page, there is only Apache 2 default page. So FF has found additional directory called admin. Just browse the admin page. And first of all, inspect its source code. And we do find a username which is admin. Let's just try some simple SQL injection. And we do not get anything. So the hidden directory is admin. And answer the question on TryHackMe. So we have got the admin panel. Now we need to brute force the password. First of all, right click on the page and open the inspect tab. Now go to the networks tab and initiate a login request. Now click on the request method and you will get the request parameters. We need these parameters to use in Hydra. Now open the Hydra and use the command as shown on the screen. -V is for verbosity, -I is to ignore any errors, and -T4 is for 4 threads. And in a few minutes the Hydra will brute force our password, which is Xavier. Now log in on the admin panel with the username and password and you get an RSA private key and a flag. Now answer the questions on TryHackMe. We know the admin username and password. We also have the flag from web, so paste it in the question about the web flag. Now open the RSA downloaded key and you will see that it's encrypted. Now we can crack the key with John. Just copy this key in a new file. Now use SSH to John to convert the key in John acceptable format. So we have got the hash.txt file. Now let's just use John to crack it. Use the command as shown on the screen and use the default word list of John. I think it has failed. Use the show flag to view the cracked passwords. And we do not have any cracked password. Let's just change the word list. Now use rockq.txt to crack it. And we do get the password, which is rock and roll. Just paste it on try hack me. Now let's just connect to our target machine with SSH. First copy the key file in another file. And make it executable. Now use SSH to connect to machine. I think the username is admin. Just provide the key file and the username and try connecting. And our passphrase is wrong. So we need to guess the username. So the username may be John, which is indicated on the web panel. Just change the username and try connecting again. And we get the terminal. Just cat out the user flag and paste it on try hack me. Now just escalate our privileges. Use the command sudo -l and we can see that we can run cat command as sudo. Let's just check GTFO means how we can escalate our privileges. So it says if we can read data from file, it may be used to do privileges reads or disclose files outside a restricted file system. So what we can do, we can read the password and the shadow file and try cracking it. Cat out the password file. Copy the content in a new file. And save it. Now cat out the shadow file. Open a new file and save its contents. Now use the command unshadow password and shadow file and save the hash in a new file. I am using John to crack it. And it has successfully cracked the password, which is football. Now switch to root with su command. And cat out the flag from root directory. So we have successfully completed root at Rome from TryHackMe.